This is the Weber Genesis 2 Premium Gas Barbecue. New for 2019, it's available in black, the EP335, or stainless steel, the SP335. This barbecue features cast iron cooking grates. These are perfect for searing, but you can do a lot more with this barbecue than grill. It also features the Gourmet BBQ System. This removable section will allow you to utilise a range of accessories. These accessories include the poultry roaster, the cast iron griddle, and a ceramic pizza stone. The Genesis Premium also features the elevation system warming rack. The rack can be easily folded to free up space at the grill. It can even be used for skewers. This version features the closed cart design, with double doors to provide you with plenty of space to store your barbecue tools and accessories. There is even a handy side burner. This functional hob is perfect for frying pans, saucepans, barbecue sauce, you name it. By having this extra cooking area, you have more space on the grates for other things. If, like us, you enjoy a rare steak, you will love the new sear station. By having an extra burner situated directly in between the existing central and right-hand burner, this allows you to create an incredibly hot section, perfect for searing meat. All Weber Genesis 2 gas barbecues are now iGrill ready. This optional integration, Weber's revolutionary cooking thermometer. You have a side bracket for your gas canister. This is lifted off the ground and neatly obscured from view behind a panel. As part of Weber's GS4 high-performance grilling system, you have their best ever burners for consistent gas flow and even heat distribution. Sat atop each burner tube is a stainless steel flavorizer bar. These transform cooking fats from your food into smoke. This will create the delicious barbecue flavour. Excess fat and grease that is not vaporised by the flavorizer bars is funneled down through the barbecue via the grease management system. This ends up in a removable collection tray that can be taken out and disposed of. Most Weber barbecues can be easily upgraded with the addition of a rotisserie, and this Premium Genesis 2 is no different. Here you can see the notches on which the spit of the rotisserie would rest. These are mains powered and sold separately. If you would like to know more about any Weber barbecue available in the UK, then be sure to visit our website WowBBQ.co.uk. That's WowBBQ.co.uk. Alternatively, you can visit the Weber World store in North London and speak to a Weber expert.